everyone thinks the S&P 500 already chose direction, but price hasn't actually confirmed anything yet. There's a hidden structure here that makes both bulls and bears vulnerable right now. I'm watching one level, and if they lose or reclaim it, the entire setup changes. So let's talk about how we can make some money in today's session. And as you can see right here, we have a range in the formation of happening. What we're looking at now is the equal distance underneath this entire range to be what is the best case scenario for the move now above this entire range. So that would put us somewhere right around that 7,007, just a bit higher than the prior high here. All right. Now that's the primary variation that we do need to be aware of as we kind of push up. Now what I want to see overall is, to be quite honest, a move that pulls us all the way back to this low. If we come back to this low and then reset from that position, then it will become very simple as to now look for the rotation going higher like so. So if we do go directly higher, just be aware it's a little bit cautious because you don't want to buy too high, but there's definitely a move to be had. So let me just change colors here. Now lastly, you may be asking yourself, well, how is the market going to be bearish? Well, if it's bearish today, just be aware of the fact that the market will have to break through the range, okay? Now in this situation, it's going to have to break through on strength, probably in a variation very similar to this. And then once we get some sort of variation similar, we can now look for a retest and a pullback to this prior low. So it's all about patience if you really want to be a seller today, given the fact that this overall range is pretty clearly bullish coming into this event, all right? So for right now, we just need to sit back and wait and see how the market's going to give us a pullback entry as we look to, again, rotate now back up to this prior high from yesterday's top. Thanks for watching. See you on the next candle.